Hey, what's up? I'm Will from DevOps for Developers, and in this video, we're reviewing the worst book in DevOps. Let me just start by reading you this review. 1-star review, this book is a bundle of jargon. This is the worst book on IT or any DevOps area. Ouch. I'm not even sure the author understands what he's saying. A bundle of jargon, even my 8-year-old daughter has a more fundamental understanding than this author. That's tough. I advise you not to buy this book or any book on IT and DevOps from this author. It would have been better if I had given my 10 euros to the motherless home. Ouch. That's kind of harsh. All right, let's reveal what this book is. And drum roll. That's my book. What the hell? Okay, so I kind of knew that was coming, but there's a point that I want to make to all of this, right? And the point is, you're going to experience failure at some point in your career. And it's important really to dig in and come up with a plan on how to deal with that. So I don't think this book is a failure. I think it's a good book for the right person. The failure here is that I failed to create a title, tagline, and description that would convey to this reviewer that this was not the right book for them. So I still think it's a good book. I just don't think I did a good job of conveying that to this person before they purchased the book. And that's what I really want to highlight here, is that you've got to separate the things that you can take action from and the things that you can't take action from, right? I mean, not everything is going to be successful in every instance. You know, if we're talking about books here specifically, not everyone is going to like every book because not every book is written for the entire population of planet Earth. I mean, even books like the Bible. Some people don't like the Bible, right? Maybe that's what I should have named my book, the DevOps Bible. On the first day, God created Kubernetes, and it was good. On the 7th day, God created observability and rested until his pager went off. Adam! I'll burn in hell for that joke. Oh, who am I kidding? That's not even going to make the top 10 reasons why I burn in hell. But back to the point here, right? So you're going to do things that fail, right? And it may be, in this scenario where I failed to deliver the book that this guy was looking for, this reviewer was looking for. It may be that you bring production down. It may be that you failed to secure the job after going out for a job interview. When this happens, don't take it personally. Just look at it objectively, find out what it is that you can learn from it, see if that fits with your morals and your ethics and your goals, and then make changes as necessary. Now, I threw that little disclaimer in there to make changes that fit with your morals and your ethics and your goals, because that's important, right? Like if we go back to my book example here, I've got a bad review on my book. It actually happens to be the only review on my book on Amazon. And so some of the things I could have done to address this would be I could just pull the book, change the title, and republish it, and boom, bad reviews gone. Or I could have gone to Fiverr and hired some people to go leave positive reviews for my book. But neither one of those are in line with my own personal morals and code of ethics. So those were not valid options for me. And whenever you're encountering failure in your career or in your life, same thing's going to apply to you. There's going to be options available that don't sit right with you. And so you want to ignore those and take away the ones that work with you. The other thing that applies here is you may never know why you failed. For example, using this book example again, I can never contact this person. I don't know who they are. I don't have any way to contact them through Amazon's website. And so I'll never be able to have a conversation with them to understand what they were looking for and what they saw in my book that they didn't like, and use that as a learning opportunity to improve either this book or future books that I write or whatever. It's just never going to happen. And the same thing's going to happen to you at some point. You're going to experience failure, and you're never going to be able to get to the root cause, or you'll never get closure on it. But that doesn't mean that you can't step back, look at it objectively, find something that you can use to improve and go forward with, and then keep moving on with your life. Hope that was helpful for you. By the way, I still think you should check out my book. I'll put a link to it down below, and if you think it sucks too, I really want to hear from you. So thanks, and I'll see y'all in the next video.